Hello everyone, I'm Santosh Kumar and today I'm here to introduce our Mains Masters program for CSE Mains 2025. Now, before I go into the details of the program, I briefly want to talk about why it is very important to start your mains preparation right now. See, this year in 2024 mains, around 1,000 students from Level Up IAS are writing mains. And we have analyzed their performance in terms of number of tests that they have attempted for optional subject, number of tests that they have attempted for GS. And we've seen that students who were fully prepared for their GS before February 2024, they were in a much more stable position. They were able to do revision systematically and they were able to attempt most of the tests, GS as well as optional, between pre and mains. Whereas students who depended on completing their syllabus after preliminary examination, they kept on running behind completion of syllabus and then they were able to write fewer tests. So they were at slight disadvantage when compared to the first category of students. So this made us realize that full mains preparation, even before you start preliminary preparation, is very crucial. Not only this, the students who are very well prepared for mains by January, they will be more focused on preliminary examination when it comes to prelims phase, and their chances of clearing preliminary examination is also higher. And that is why we are coming up with a very comprehensive mains masters program which will cater to GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4 as well as essay. We want to ensure that you become mains ready in next 4 months. It's important also because in 2025, if you have noticed carefully, the time duration between prelims and mains have been drastically reduced. This year, mains examination, that is in 2024, mains examination started on 20th September. But in 2025, when is it starting? It's starting on 22nd August. You have lesser time, almost a month lesser. So you will not be able to dedicate yourself for mains, or you'll not be able to complete everything in main for mains between prelims and mains. It's better to start right now. And that is why this program, Mains Masters program. Now, what are we going to do in this program? What are the key components of the program? Let me speak about it. First is the coverage. What we want to do is that each and everything which is mentioned in the syllabus from GS1 to GS4, we want to ensure that we complete each one of them. So we will go in a topic-wise manner rather than completing things haphazardly. In every class, when we start, we will talk about which point of the syllabus are we covering. And in this way, we will finish the entire syllabus for mains examination in classes. There will be around 110 classes. In 120 days or in around 4 months, we are going to take 110 classes, ensuring the entire coverage. Along with this, you get concise handouts for quick revision. In every class, we will give you handouts in question answer format, ensuring that every topic is being covered in 1.5 page, so that in future you will be able to revise those topics quickly. We will not bombard with you a lot of content, which sometimes is important when you are understanding the topics, but when it comes to revision, that becomes a bit hectic. So only the things which are needed for mains examination would be there in your handouts. Here, we are going to have, other than this, there's another important aspect that I want to speak about. In this program, there's a lot of emphasis on answer writing. We believe that without answer writing, your mains preparation is incomplete. No matter how well read you are, no matter how much you have written in the past, if you do not understand, if you do not learn the skill of writing UPSC answers, you may be an excellent author, but if you do not understand the skill of writing an UPSC civil services answers, you will not be able to do well in the mains examination. And that is why in this program, other than giving you handouts, other than completing the entire syllabus, what we are focusing upon is that in every class, we will write 3 to 4 answers, and those 3 to 4 answers will be discussed elaborately by the teachers only, by expert teachers, rather than some mentor coming, rather than some senior student coming and discussing it with you. We will ensure that each and every teacher will be preparing those questions, will be making you write those answers, and there will be detailed discussion. Plus, there is a lot of focus on PYQs. That is, what we will do is, when we are covering any bullet point of the syllabus, we'll also list you down all the PYQs that has been asked in that particular topic, and we will make sure that all of you are in a position to answer all those PYQs. So these were certain things which are features of the program. You will see that with this, by the end of January, you would have completed each and everything in the syllabus. You would have written around 300 to 400 answers, and you would also feel confident that I can take care of, I can cater to, I can write very good answers for all the questions, all the relevant questions which have been asked in past years so far. Now, let's come to the team. Who will be teaching you? In Mains Masters program, we have a expert team. For every subject, we have specialized faculties who have developed a name for them in terms of quality of teaching. Your history section will mostly be taken by Nikhil sir and Vishal sir. Nikhil sir would be catering to your art and culture portion, and Vishal sir would be catering to your world history and modern India portion. This history here, please understand, would be covered in question answer format. Emphasis is on ensuring that only those things, only those themes which are relevant for mains should be covered. Else, students keep on reading a lot of books. They keep on reading Bipin Chandra, they keep on reading Spectrum. They do not understand here mains ke liye exactly what has to be studied. We here are emphasizing that we are covering around 40-50 topics for world history, 40-50 topics for modern India, 40-50 topics for art and culture, ensuring that those 150 themes of history and culture are on tips for you. At the end of the, before writing your test, before writing your exam, these are the 150 themes that you will quickly revise. And in each of these themes, you'll have a one-page notes to help you just go through these topics in a very quick manner. Geography, in geography, environment portion would be taken by me. I'm Santosh Kumar. Rest of the portion would be taken by Dimple ma'am and Gautam sir. If you go on YouTube, you'll be able to watch their videos also. They have given excellent reviews in the recently concluded MMP. We were just running a mains masters program for mains examination, but for mains examination, as the time duration between prelims and mains was very less, we had only a 70-day program. But here we are having a 120-day program, which will be more elaborate. For society and social justice, we have introduced Sahil sir. Again, if you go on YouTube, you'll be able to watch many videos of Sahil Saini sir. He's known for his precise exam-centric preparation. He will not beat around the bush. He will ensure that whatever is needed, whatever is relevant for your preparation, those content is there in your notes in a very concise manner, and you will be able to answer all the PYQs. He'll also keep you updated with all the current affairs related to social justice and society section. Then GS2, social justice is being taken by Sahil Saini sir. The polity and governance section will be taken by Babu sir. Now, again, Babu sir is someone who has cleared UPSC examination 4 times, UPSC Civil Services examination for which you are preparing 3 times. He is one of the best that you will find for polity and governance. Generally, polity बच्चे लक्ष्मीकांत से पढ़ लेते हैं for at the time of preliminary examination, but in mains you need different skills. Similarly, governance is a ignored portion. He cleared his examination using public administration as an optional, and thus is an expert on the governance section, will ensure the best preparation for governance for GS2 paper. Then I'll primarily be dealing with your economy, science, environment, and disaster management portion. This is my expert area. Then Chandan sir will be taking IR and some portions of internal security. Now this year we are in our MMP. So far in our mains masters program, we only covered GS1, GS2, GS3, and GS4. We had not gone for essay. But this year we are introducing a very senior, very respected, very renowned faculty, SN Chakrabarti sir. He will be taking around 8 to 10 classes of essay for you in this batch, in this mains master's program. If you want to know more about Chakrabarti sir, go and speak to aspirants who are already selected. They'll tell you ki when they needed to, even after selection, when they needed to improve their essay marks, where did they go? They went to Chakrabarti sir. So we're very fortunate that in our team we have been able to include him as our essay teacher. So this team will ensure that in a very systematic manner, in a very detailed manner, in a very planned manner, you are very well prepared for mains by the end of January. Detailed schedule is given at the in the description of this video. If you go to the description of the video, you'll be able to find detailed schedule in every class. What are we going to cover? Initially, we are starting with GS2 and GS3. On 30th September, we'll be starting with GS3, and then we'll go to, so we'll take 3 classes for GS3, 3 classes for GS2. Initially, we'll finish GS3 and GS2, then we'll move on to GS4 and GS1. In the end, we are doing GS1 ka geography and history, because there is some overlap with preliminary examination also. So if you're doing history at the end, that helps you, like if you're at the end of January when you're doing history, that will help you remain in sync with your prelims preparation also, and that is why we are doing those subjects at the end. These are some details of the program. Program will primarily be running in October, November, December, January. These are the 4 months. You will see on 30th September it's starting, to 1 day in September is also there, and we'll take a few classes in February also, but primarily it's a 4-month program. We'll have 6 classes a week, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Sundays we won't have class. In every class we'll first write 3-4 answers, and then we'll go into detailed coverage of rest of the portion. Fee structure, we have tried to make it as affordable as possible. You would see that for online student, fee is only 11,000. In 11,000, you have around 120 classes. This is one of the most affordable things that you'll find. Similarly, for offline students, we have the fee is 15,000. Now, offline students also get online access, and that is why the cost is slightly higher on this side. Here is the link in the description of this video. You'll also be able to find this PPT on where you'll be able to get this link. This is the link of the program. You can go there, and for any other detail, you can come to our offline center, which is on 2nd floor, building number 45 in front of pillar 128 in Karol Bagh, or you can give us a call on these numbers, or you can write us an email on this number, and we'll be there to help you to take care of all your needs. If you want to personally speak to me, even in that case, starting Tuesday, that is 25th September. From 25th September to 29th September, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. I'll be available in office to take care of any of your doubts related to this program. Otherwise, also there will be mentors available. You can speak to them. There's a link given in the description. If you want personal one-to-one meeting with me regarding this program, you can fill your details there, and we will reach out to you. So come and join this program. We will make sure that this is you people are the best prepared people for mains examination by the end of January. There will be enough answer writing. There will be exhaustive coverage of syllabus, ensuring that you don't need to do anything else. At the end of January, you will be like, I'm fully prepared for mains. Now, just let me focus on prelims, and after that, between prelims and mains, you will just need to write answers and some current affairs updates. You will not need to do anything else. Between prelims and mains, you'll write a test series and just update your current affairs with revision. You will not need to do anything. We will ensure that you are way ahead in your mains preparation. Come and join us and level up your civil services mains preparation with Level Up IAS. Thank you.